They say lightning doesn't usually strike twice in the same place, but as we'll see today, sometimes it does. Hey, just a quick tip. If you sign up for Honey using my referral code, you get 500 Honey Gold after your first purchase. As a bit of a reference, 1,000 gold will get you a $10 gift card. So sign up with the link below in the description. With all that said and done, let's roll the intro. What's up, everyone? My name is Alberto. Welcome back to the channel and to today's video. Some of you may remember the last video I posted where I took an early 2009 24-inch iMac and I upgraded it with an SSD and some extra RAM. Now, when I found that computer, I was going crazy. I was so excited because a cheap computer means you can usually justify a little bit more in upgrading it. And honestly, to me, that's the fun about having a computer, is being able to change it and to do different things with it. And even that's a little bit subjective nowadays. So I wanted to go iMac hunting one more time, and well, why don't I just show you guys instead? I'm not sure why I'm doing this, but I'm heading over to DI to see if they have any more Apple products. This DI usually has a lot of really cool stuff. Let's go again and see what we got, see what I find. All right, folks, you can see her in the distance. All reliable. I found two more iMacs. A freaking 27-inch iMac, and this is a freaking 21.5-inch iMac, I think. So both of these new iMacs are also from 2009, but they're from late 2009 as opposed to early 2009, which is when the original 24-inch was from. So the smaller one is a 21.5-inch with basically the same configuration but a different processor, and it came with 12 gigabytes of RAM, which I assume must be because the person upgraded it. The 27-inch is also pretty similar. The difference is, again, being the processor and the 12 gigabytes of RAM that this also came with. What's up with the number 12? Why does everybody have 12 gigabytes of RAM on their iMac? That's just such a weird number. I hate it. The 27-inch also comes with a different video card, but again, with 256 megabytes of VRAM, you're not going to be doing a lot of stuff that's like video intense. But watching 4K footage, still almost impossible as it lags like crazy. This one is the 27-inch iMac. It probably looks the same as the 24-inch, but trust me, those extra 3 inches, they make a difference. Both of these iMacs came with the 12 gigabytes of RAM, which to me is a very uncomfortable number, and I do not like that at all. So I decided to redistribute the RAM. They both had two 4 gigabyte sticks and two 2 gigabyte sticks. And I thought, well, they're basically the same model, just different sizes, so maybe they'll be interchangeable RAM. And they were. Unlike the 24-inch, I tried to swap that around between these two, and it wouldn't fit either of them. So I grabbed the two 4 gigabyte sticks from the 21.5-inch, and I put those into the 27-inch, and I grabbed the two 2 gigabyte sticks from the 27 and put it into the 21.5. That was all very confusing, but to summarize, the big one now has 16 gigabytes of RAM and it runs better than it used to, and the small one now has 8 gigabytes of RAM and it runs about the same as it used to, so it's perfect. Ooh, there she is. 16 gigs of RAM. Awesome. There we go. It's got 8 gigabytes of RAM instead of the 12 that it had before. So I'm still not sure what I'm going to do with all these iMacs. I do like the 27-inch a lot more than the 24-inch. I just like it because it's big. That's what she said. I could add SSDs to all of them like I did with the 24-inch, but to be honest, with that one, after I upgraded the RAM, adding an SSD didn't really make it run much faster. It only made a difference to like the read and write speeds. It was a really good bump that it needed in storage and performance, but I mean, these are all working so great without SSDs that I don't really know if it would be worth it to put in the extra $50 to $100 to upgrade them all. So what do you guys think? Should I just upgrade them all, max them all out, and sell them to the highest bidder? Or should I sell them as is and let the buyers decide if they want to upgrade them or not, whether through me or by themselves? I'm kind of at an impasse of what to do. If I should upgrade them all, then that can be some more videos. And if I do decide to sell them, then that's more money that I can buy more computers and do more upgrades and make more videos. So either way, it turns out to being more videos for you guys. So just let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and I'll do my best to reply to every comment. All 5 of them. As usual, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe to the channel, and make sure to share this video with all of your friends and local tech nerds so that I can stay motivated and keep making more content like this. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Peace out.